How to use BotPress to build an AI bot. Hello guys and welcome back to today's video. In today's video, we will be teaching you on how you will be able to create your very own AI using BotPress. Now as you can see right now on our screen, we are currently on botpress.cloud and this is the website that you need to access to start creating your AI bot. There are two ways to create your chatbot or your AI bot. We have the create chatbot button over here in the center and over here on the top left. There's also such thing as workspace over here, meaning you will be able to have different types of AI with different categories that you could separate with workspace. For example, I could create a workspace for school. So the AI that I will be creating for that specific workspace is an AI dedicated to assisting me with my work info or your school details that you need help with. For example, your school assignment. And zooming out, let's create our very first chatbot or our very first AI. To start, simply click on create chatbot over here and it will load for a few seconds and then you will be redirected to another page. You can see here on our screen. Now there we go. It gave us 4 options. The first option is to answer questions on a document. So basically upload your text documents and your chatbot will be able to answer questions on those. Or you could answer questions from websites wherein you provide the website to your chatbot and it will be able to answer questions from the content of those websites. You could also start from a template chatbot and then you could customize it later. Or you could also choose the option I need hand holding wherein you will build a bot and learn at the same time. You could choose any of this option depending on your knowledge and on your preference as well. The option that you choose will bootstrap your chatbot's knowledge. So for us, let's say I am a beginner. So I would like to start with a template first because I have no prior knowledge on what my AI should be. So if you select the template, you will be able to see the different options over here. You have the AI public personality, which is a simple chatbot that uses AI task feature to impersonate a public personality. You have a recipe finder with video tutorial, which will allow you to search recipes using Spoon Binoculars API. You have recruitment bot, which interviews candidates and drills down to their responses. And basic AI or an empty canvas to start a new chatbot from scratch. Let's say I would like to start from basic. Let's click on say hello to your chatbot. And as you can see, our bot is getting ready. There we go. Now, you are recommended to watch videos to get started. And let's get started right away. We have here the process because we chose the empty. We chose an empty bot press or a bot AI. So we have our start over here and our end. We could create a trigger over here. But right now we have no trigger. But we could choose a trigger over here on the right side. Let's say scheduler. Then you could have timer over here. And you will be able to build an AI from scratch. It's a bit complicated for beginner out there. As you can see, for example, this one. We have the entry. It will say, sorry, an error occurred. Please try again. Stuff like that. Then you have your timeout over here. Conversation end. It's a bit confusing for beginners to start from scratch. That's why it is recommended for beginner users to watch a video before they start with the basics over here. But as you choose or as you explore the different options over here on the left side, you will be able to see the different options or the different settings that you could have. That's a bit difficult. So you could also check out your settings over here like chat name, user variables, bot variables, and many more. It's going to be confusing, so let's go back to the dashboard and let's start with a version that has pre-existing features already. Here we go. Click on edit. But as you can see, we already have our AI over here on the left side, the elegant snail. But over here, let's say this time I would like to answer questions from websites. And then you should simply enter a website domain over here. Let's search for a website, AI articles. And maybe this one. Let's open this, copy, paste it over here, and the entire website in which stripes to website. You can check out why it's not a valid domain name, so I guess you could not use this one, but you could go with the entire web instead. And you have this filter. You have page discovered in the last 24 hours, 7 days, or 30 days. But anyway, let's set that as the default for now. And then as you can see, getting our bot started. And there we go. Knowledge upload complete. Now it has the knowledge of the internet. It's glitching out a bit, so let me refresh our page over here. And let's see. You can already see over here in the center, but I guess still bugging out. Here we go. Over here on the right side, this is where you could ask. Let's say hi. This is the emulator side, so you can test things out. And conversation started. There we go. Chatbot. To edit my knowledge, click on small talk on the left menu. So you will be able to find it over here, like the small talk. There we go. This is the initial part or the initial message for you. You will be able to customize this. Then you have the ability to customize the text also that they will use for the conversion, and a quick start knowledge over here and main. Going to be confusing, but once you build, or this is where you're going to build the AI, and once you build a functional AI, you will be able to chat with it and even publish it to the internet. As you can see here also, when I put our cursor over here on the left side, you will be able to see all of these different features as well, such as send messages, execute, flow logic, capture information, events, and many more. So you could put this into your part over here. For example, in this check knowledge, you could put that, then you now have a text. It's a simple drag and drop. It's not going to be too confusing for you. Once you get the hang of it, as you can see, you will be able to put that. Then you can simply upload the image that you want, something like that. And let's start it. Put our emulator over here. Hi. Conversation started. You will be able to see the interaction, but it's ending right away. So you could simply edit this out. Check out the different information that you are trying to build. It's a simple flow chart. I'm going to explain it, or I'm going to represent it in a simple way. It's basically a flow chart or a flow of thoughts that you could manipulate and change. So after you build your bot, you can simply click on publish over here on the top right, where you will be able to publish your bot, and it will now appear over here on the left side. And that's basically it. If you want to delete a chatbot, you can simply click on delete chatbot over here and start over once again. You can also check out different integrations that you could use for this BotPress. And so that's basically it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, please consider leaving a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.